There you go! He's spooling up! Uh-oh. Yeah. That was kind of a waste of time. But like, oh shit, it goes a minivan! Yo, God damn it, you always do a turbo. Maybe I want a supercharger for once.
You said you hated superchargers.
No, I don't.
You said you hated the noise they make.
I hate the fucking Whipple Cobras. For all the people on YouTube that don't put this on there, I fucking hate you who have a Whipple Cobra. Well, fucking Mustangs suck in general, so I'm just saying.
I actually like Mustangs. Like 03, 04 Cobras.
But you drive a RX-8.
I'm just saying, if somebody gave me a Mustang, I'd be okay with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing else to look at, really. There's some people over there, zoom in on that.
He's probably about to slap the taste out of it.
Bitch. I'll tell you how it's gonna be. We're in CVS, by the way, if you didn't know. CVS Pharmacy. Oh shit, man! Look at that nigga. He got volumes.
Got him some 16s. Yeah, the alloy. Yo, I found them on eBay. I thought they was cool as fuck.
Hell yeah, man. Yeah, I wanna go talk to that bitch that has that Mustang over there. That bitch drives that.
It's a V6.
But it's like a special edition Mustang.
It's a V6.
Yeah, it's a V6, but it's a special edition. Oh shit.
Well, if it's a special edition piece of shit, they don't make anything.
Fanatic, man. What the fuck? Sounds like the truck. My truck. Or dad's truck. Whatever you want to call it.
Okay, baby, I'll holler at you.
Yeah. This is where we from, man. Oh, shut up. Fuck you, YouTube, and fuck you, Eric, okay? He's old enough.
If you put this up, I don't want. Yeah, yeah. Nope.
Nope.